안녕하세요. 제16차 FEALAC 사이버사무국 워크숍 현장에 나와 있는 FEALAC 국민대표단 최윤서입니다. 오늘 워크숍에 참여해주신 연사님을 초청해서 인터뷰를 진행해 보려고 하는데요. 칠레 연사님을 모시고 인터뷰 바로 가보도록 하겠습니다. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Perfecto. Now, I'm gonna give you two short questions, but before we start the questions, can you introduce yourself shortly, please?
Sure. My name is Victor Morales. I'm the head leader of the training and upskilling area at CENIA, the Chile's National Center for AI, where we are working to bring AI closer to the people, boosting the AI ecosystem in Chile and also Latin America.
Perfecto. Now, I'm gonna give you two short questions. For the first question, in your opinion, what AI-related initiatives or cooperation mechanisms should be promoted through FEALAC in the future?
Yeah, we think that we have some guidelines to face the bottleneck of AI in the future. We are seeing how the East Asia is working with sovereign AI, with infrastructure, and how they are improving their AI talent in their own countries. And Latin America has different possibilities to support that challenge of the bottleneck, especially in the renewable energy related issues. The next bottleneck is physical. It's not just a technological way, and in Latin America and Chile we have a lot of advantages for that, but we need some support and collaboration to improve our investment, our talent, our use of AI, to not just being consumers of AI. We not want that. We want to change our productive matrix, because we don't want to have another wave of technology that only could be part of the development of global countries. We also think that Latin America can support in different ways to FEALAC countries, and all together we can share experiences in those areas, and we think that Chile can create different projects in that way.
¡Qué bacán!
Perfect.
¿Sí? ¿Perfecto?
Bacán.
Gracias. Now, I'm going to give you the second question.
Okay.
So, how can CENIA, as a regional hub, strengthen AI cooperation between Latin America and East Asia through FEALAC?
Well, first of all, it's very important to see the whole landscape. Latin America, when we look outward, we see that Latin America is largely absent of the AI race. So we need to work together to being part of this technological revolution. So for that, we need processes, experiences, open technology, shared talent, infrastructure, and as CENIA, over the last 5 years, we have been working with different institutions in Latin America, more than 20 countries in all Latin America, sharing those kind of things to make project as the first LLM in Latin America, called LATAM GPT. We shared infrastructure for different projects. We're boosting the AI ecosystem through evidence. We put open source technology, and with that experience, we think that we can support the FEALAC efforts to collaborate between both countries. And we also have already some partnership with institutions in Singapore and Korea. So we all thought that we are a Chilean institution. We have a Latin American vision and a Latin American work, so we can put that experience as a hub to improve our ecosystem.
Perfecto.
Bacán?
¡Qué bacán! Thanks for taking the time out of your busy schedule for us. This is end of the interview. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Muchísimas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
바이바이.
실내 연사님과 함께한 인터뷰 어떠셨나요? 앞으로도 다양한 페알락 활동들이 예정되어 있으니 많은 관심 부탁드립니다.